Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Amid the political free for all between the ruling Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP over the alleged assault on Rajya Sabha MP and former DCW chairperson Swati Maliwal, the accused former personal secretary of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Biphav Kumar, was arrested on Friday. As per Delhi police confirmations, he is to be produced before Delhi's Tees Hazari court later on Saturday, the police informed. The former aide of AAP Supremo, meanwhile, emailed Delhi police stating that he was ready to cooperate in the ongoing probe into Maliwal's assault claim, while adding that they should also take cognizance of the complaint made by him. Reacting to the arrest of CM's former aide, the chairperson of the National Commission for Women, the Rekha Sharma posted from her official X handle stating that Delhi CM's aide Biphav Kumar was arrested from his house. So CM was giving shelter to an alleged criminal. Biphav on Friday lodged a counter complaint with the police accusing Maliwal of gaining unauthorized entry into the CM's civil lines residence and verbally abusing him. In his complaint, Kejriwal's former PA charged Maliwal with unauthorized entry, verbal abuses and threats, while also claiming that BJP's involvement in the matter. It has come to the knowledge of the undersigned through the media that a case FIR number 27 has been registered at the PS civil lines in which the undersigned has been named as an accused. Though the undersigned has not been served with any notice in the case till now, the undersigned categorically submits that he is willing to cooperate and join the investigation as and when called upon to do so by the investigating officer, Biphav Kumar wrote in his email to Delhi police. It may be emphasized here that the undersigned also made a complaint to bringing light to the fact of alleged incident that happened on May 13th with email dated 17th of May sent on an email SHO civil line and Delhi police. It is requested that same may be brought on the record of investigation in accordance with the law. The accused in the assault case added to the mail. Significantly, the Vigilance Department had last month terminated Biphav's services as Kejriwal's top aide over a pending criminal case. Meanwhile, the details of Maliwal's medico-legal case report surfaced on Saturday, mentioning bruises over her left leg and right cheek. The report was filed after Maliwal underwent a detailed medical examination on the night of May 16. The examination was carried out at Jai Prakash Narayan Apex Trauma Center at AIIMS, Delhi. Earlier, the Delhi police filed an FIR on Maliwal's complaint against the CM's former aide, alleging that he slapped her at least 7 to 8 times while she continued screaming and brutally dragged her while kicking her in the chest, stomach and pelvis area. According to the FIR, Maliwal described the events of May 13 after she visited Kejriwal's civil lines residence in the national capital. I went inside the camp office and called CM's PS Biphav Kumar, but I could not go in. I then sent a message to his mobile number. However, there was no response. I then went inside the residential area through the main door, as I have always done in the past year. Since Biphav Kumar was not present, I entered the residence area and informed the staff present there to tell the CM I am here to meet him. I was informed that he was present in the house and I was told to wait in the drawing room. I went to the drawing room and sat on sofa and waited for him to meet. One of the staff members came and told the CM was coming to meet me, and suddenly the PS of the CM, Biphav Kumar, barged into the room. He started screaming without any provocation and even started abusing me. I was stunned by it and I reacted by telling him to stop talking to me like this, to call the CM, the complainant further read. He then abused me and asked me, "Who are you to not listen to what I say?" While I said these words, he came and stood right in front of me. Without any provocation whatsoever on my side, he started slapping me with full force. He slapped me 7 to 8 times at least while I continued screaming. I felt absolutely shocked and was screaming for help over and over again. In order to protect myself, I pushed him away with my legs. At that time, he pounded on me, brutally dragged me and deliberately pulled my shirt up. My shirt buttons opened and my shirt flew up. I landed on floor while hitting my head on the center table. I was constantly screaming for help, but no one came. After that, Biphav Kumar did not relent and attacked me by kicking in my chest, stomach and pelvis area with his legs. I was in extreme pain and kept telling him to stop. My shirt was coming up, but he continued to assault me, said the Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal. The FIR was filed under the IPC section of 308, an attempt to commit culpable homicide, 341 punishment for wrongful restraint, and 354B assault or use of criminal force to women with the intent to disturb, and 506 of punishment of criminal intimidation, and 509 that word, gesture or act intended to insult the modesty of women. That's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.